Have you ever thought about making money freelancing? It's a question that has crossed many minds, especially in this ever-evolving digital age. With the rise of remote work and the gig economy, the world of freelancing has never been more accessible or lucrative. So how can you get a slice of this pie? The process of making money freelancing can be broken down into 5 easy-to-follow steps. To start, the first step is identifying your skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? From writing to graphic design, coding to consulting, there's a demand for nearly every skill set in the freelance market. The second step is building a portfolio. This is where you showcase your skills and demonstrate your expertise. Your portfolio is your professional calling card. It's what potential clients will look at when deciding whether to hire you. Thirdly, you'll want to set your rates. This can be a tricky process, but it's crucial to understand your worth and charge accordingly. Too low, and you may not be able to sustain your freelance lifestyle. Too high, and you might scare off potential clients. Next, you'll need to find your clients. There are numerous ways to do this, from joining freelance job boards to networking in your industry. Remember, the more visible you are, the more likely you are to land gigs. Finally, the fifth step is delivering quality work. This is what will keep your clients coming back for more. Always meet your deadlines, communicate effectively, and strive to exceed expectations. So, to recap the main points discussed in this video, first, identify your skills. What do you bring to the table? Second, build a portfolio. Show potential clients what you can do. Third, set your rates. Know your worth and charge accordingly. Fourth, find your clients. Be visible and proactive in your search for gigs. And fifth, deliver quality work. Make your clients happy and they're likely to hire you again. Freelancing can be a profitable and fulfilling way to make a living. By following these steps and putting in the hard work, you too can make money freelancing in the year 2024. Remember, the freelance economy is booming and there's never been a better time to get started. So think about your skills, build that portfolio, set your rates, find your clients, and deliver quality work. The world of freelancing awaits you.